Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
Hi, I'm back as usual again, and I know you must be guessing where I'm back because behind the structure tells you that I'm in Goa. So my exploration for fish curries throughout the Konkan belt, I am in Goa today, and this is going to be a very massive episode, various episodes exploring fish curries around and trying to find out the local spices because Goa is not only meant to be beaches and bars. Apart from that, there is a different Goa which is actually food, culinary that you have to explore because the raw spices found here and the cuisine that has been made and created for years, coming from generations to the generations. Fish curry stories with Nilesh Malkar. I'm back here again and we are going to explore throughout the Goa from the north and the south. So, guys, come on, join me.